video. Today we'll be seeing how to find the duplicate in huge set of data in the Excel. That too, you can get it in just 30 seconds. Yes, my dear friends, you can get it in just 30 seconds. Just before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press a bell icon to get a latest notification when I upload a new video next time. So if you're ready, come let's start. So I have taken this set of data. So if I go here, I have taken the set of data. So I have taken around 142 data set is there. So in this, how to find the duplicates. So if I want to find the duplicate of Jaydev, so you can go with like this by finding the function called find and replace by pressing Control and H. So if I type it as Jaydev, so to find it, it may take some time, but I'm going to show a very small trick that is very simple. So first and foremost, you need to go to the Home tab. There you will find the conditional formatting. So click on that and you will find a lot of options. In that, go to the highlights and cells rules, and here you'll get a lots of options. In that, go to the duplicate values. Before going to that, make sure you have selected all the cells of the all the cells in the Excel sheet, and go to Home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cells and rows, go to duplicate values. When you press the duplicate values, your duplicate values will be highlighted. So let us see how it will come. When I click OK, so you'll find that so lots of so it has been marked as a, so these all are duplicate values only, which is not highlighted. That means that is not a duplicate values. By doing this, you'll come to know that this many are duplicates, so that we can remove it very easily. So if you like the video, please hit a like button, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you. Let's see in the next video. Bye bye.